Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna get rid of the old graphics and install new graphics. First I'm gonna wash the bike. Later in this video you can see how we install the new graphics.
High quality stuff.
So now that the graphics are gone, we continue with applying the new graphics. That was it, applying the graphics. I hope you like the graphics the same as I do, because I am very happy with the results. If you want the same graphics, they will come available on the website of moto.rickk. I will put a link in the description. You can use our discount code as well. I will also put it in the description. And for now guys, thank you again for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.